Good morning, everyone. Today is moving day. We're really excited because this has been a really long journey.
It's been a mess.
Basically, we had booked a moving company and they fell through literally the day that we were supposed to move. So he was able to find a company that was able to help us today. So we're gonna finally ship out all of our stuff. All this stuff behind us.
So stressful. We originally we're supposed to move 2 days ago, and that fell through. So we scrambled and found another company. And now this is our stuff, bed, and we just can't wait to get this over with.
Woohoo! So I'm just gonna take you along through the day. It's gonna be a busy day, and here we go. So we definitely saved some things for last. So I need to take down these canvases, and I honestly can't even remember what I have to do. So excuse all the mess in the background. We are packing for a 2 weeks trip because we won't be able to be in our apartment. Everything takes about a week to 2 weeks to ship out to Miami. So we'll be staying with my parents. So we're packing our bags as we're moving. But I wanted to share my outfit. I'm wearing Crop Shop Boutique, not spons. I just have been living in this outfit for like 2 months now. So I just have like this black sports bra and then these leggings with these ruche detailing in the back, and slick back bun, of course, and then I have my NMDs from Adidas. I forgot the vlog camera at home because, well, I'm not a vlogger yet, but I'm on my way to go get some food. The movers just got to our house, and so we didn't want to leave like before in case they got there. So left to go get some food. I'm gonna get a bagel. I've been craving bagels like crazy lately. I don't know what it is, but I'm gonna go get a bagel, get some food for John, and then head back home and finish up packing. I've arrived. I have secured the goods. Shirley's Bagels. I got 2 bagels for myself and a bagel sandwich for John. I also got smoothies. I've never tried their smoothies. I got this green one, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it out. Oh, this is the trick. Okay, we're not touching straws anymore. No. Well, hopefully it's good for me. Let's go home. Okay, take your first bite out of it. What would you rate it? 7? Okay, hold on. I have to share what I got.
Okay.
Alright, so I have to get some work done before we leave this apartment. I have some work done due like today, and I just made this makeshift setup. How come I never figured out or had this idea to make the setup beforehand? It's so good. Real talk though, this shirt from Rue 21 is so cute, and these jeans fit literally perfectly. I feel like they're the perfect jeans with some flair, perfect for summertime, and they fit like a glove. Story time. Okay, it is Saturday, you guys. I'm gonna give you a full rundown really quick. So the previous clips you watched were from Thursday, but on that Tuesday before, we were actually supposed to have all of our stuff shipped out, and the day of, the moving company fell through. It was a disaster. Everybody was telling us we're not going to be able to get our stuff moved to the end of summer, so we were super stressed out. Jerron eventually got a hold of one company who had recently had a dropout from a customer, and they were like, do you want to take this spot? So we immediately took the spot. We were supposed to have our stuff moved out on Thursday. We had to give them a list of the exact amount of boxes we had, every single item items so that they knew how to price the move. So they gave us a price. We were like, okay, it's all good. They came on Thursday and they were trying to scam us, you guys. They basically were telling us everything was bigger than what we told them, which was a lie because we had a list of everything and it was just a mess. They were basically trying to charge us double and it was gonna be so much money. So we ended up calling it off. It was a big mess, and now we have found a angel moving company, you guys. They're actually named Roadway Moving, and I'll be sure to put all their information here and down below if you guys are moving soon and need a company. But so far they're being really professional and just super nice and convenient, honestly, because I know this is a super last minute thing and they're really helping us out. So grateful for them, but I will check in with you guys when they get here. Just wanted to give you the whole rundown so you're not confused, because I know the previous clips were probably really confusing. So yeah, as you can see, all of the boxes are behind, ready to go. I think they should be here within the next 30 minutes. So I'll check in with you guys after. I hope this goes all good. This is way closer to the actual move than we wanted to. We were originally going to ship out our stuff like a week to 2 weeks ago, but it's all good vibes, and we'll see where it goes from here. So Jerron said that I couldn't take any of my plants originally, but I'm trying to have Roadway move this, and it's just so pretty. So we'll see if it stays alive through the process. So stay tuned. So Roadway is here. They're packing up our stuff, and it's okay. And we put this down so our floors don't get scratched. They brought their moving supplies, and it's going super well. They're doing an amazing job, you guys. Like literally so professional. My hair. And super nice and really quick. So, and everyone's wearing masks for safety. So yeah. I don't want to film them too much. I don't want to get in their space. They packed up all of our stuff in the truck and it's ready to be moved. Again, shout out to Roadway. Here's their number, their website. I'm gonna link them down below. If you guys have a local move or a long distance move, they can move it all. But honestly, like I said, the best, and they saved us so much. Alright, you guys, so the move went super smoothly. Everything was so good. Roadway did a phenomenal job, so shout out to them once again. We're starving, so we headed over to Hola, which is a Mexican restaurant. And
hit the parking thing, so don't mind me. Come on.
Now we're gonna get out and get something to eat because we are hungry.
But you're so goofy. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
So we're at Hola and we got some chips and salsa. We ordered a few drinks and some food. This is the next day, and someone just came to pick up the couch, and John is now going to ride his scooter. Crash her into the wall. Today is moving day, you guys. It feels so weird to be saying that. Today is like the literal day that we fly to Miami. We have a flight in about 4 or 5 hours, but I just made a quick stop to my apartment. It's pretty empty. Alexis, my sister, is actually gonna come in a few days and kind of just like grab the rest of the stuff and like give it away or donate it or whatever. But we have this apartment for I think like almost a month more, so we definitely have some more time for like people to come pick up stuff, whoever wants stuff from our families. So yeah, it just feels so weird saying that today is moving day. It's like officially moving day. We shipped out our stuff a few days ago. Our cars went a couple days ago, and now it's just us that have to move. So it's so crazy. This is such a weird feeling. I'm like sad and also excited at the same time. I'm waiting for my mental breakdown to come because I know it's gonna come sometime today, but I'm hoping not. I'm just keeping a positive mindset, and this is just crazy. So stick along for the ride. This is probably gonna be like a two-part series. Anyway, a two-part video of us moving, just because there's just a lot of steps. I felt like there was a lot of clips from different days throughout this process. So yeah, stick along. The next one will probably have our actual apartment in it. So stay tuned. I'm so excited to share the apartment in Miami with you guys. But I just want to do a little check-in. We've been with my parents for the last few days, actually almost a week now. So we've been with them for the last few weeks since we didn't have any stuff. All of our bed and desk and whatever was shipped out. So we've been with my parents. So now it's time to go, and we're leaving this apartment. So bye, pretty apartment. I won't miss you because you were traumatizing. And also goodbye to our pretty balcony. This definitely has some memories. And once again, the view is so pretty. It's crazy to know that we're saying bye today. Thank you, apartment, for everything besides the trauma. I love you, and bye. Oh my god. We got through security in like 2 minutes. It was literally so good. Now we're on our way to the gate, about to board our flight to our new home. What do you have to say about that?